Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Oh, and we've got some Sparkle and Go. So I've got a couple of orders, an order and a subscription box to show you. So Sparkle and Co has a really good referral program, and I'll put that right there. So last month's April, and it was kind of Mother's Day, it came with this really cute, it's cloth, but it looks like wicker kind of bag, a beach bag, a really nice big one with a big flower on it. It was just really pretty. I'll see if I can find a picture and put it in here. This month's came with a beach towel, a sand cloud towel. Have you guys seen these really cool sand towels? You also get a liquid, and this month I got cuticle softener. Pink lemonade smells really good, so that's pretty cool. And like I said, so I got this because I ordered some glows, and it is a French manicure dip. So I think that you can put like white here and then pink here, and then dip your tip into the white and then dip the whole thing into the pink, and you can have a French manicure. Or you can do it with different colors, of course, or you can just use it to dip. Just a neat little dish for dipping. I think they sell these anyway, but like some stuff they give you free when you make an order. They'll give you something, say, hey, here's a gift for you. If you already have this, pass it on to somebody else. So really nice that they do that. And that was just with a regular order that I made. So May's bag came with, that one's a regular polish. Let's pull that out for right now. It's gorgeous though. Beverly Hills Hotel. Really pretty pale pink. I think they have 5 million pale pinks. So if you're into pale pink with shimmer and sparkle, they've got one for you. I have so many now, and I don't buy any. I just get them with my bags. I don't think I ever need another pink. Okay, California Dreaming. It is really pretty. Look at the shimmer. I mean, the pink is really beautiful too. I mean, I'll definitely get use out of it. And California Dreaming. And these are exclusive to the sub boxes, but if you have a subscription to a sub bag, you can purchase past sub bag dips and gels. Hollywood and Vine. And there is Beach Bonfire, and that one is a glow. So it glows in the dark. And then this is the regular polish that came with it. Cali Girl, and it is a shimmery, it's really pretty. Can you see that? It is so pretty. So if you're wondering what this beautiful polish is, it is Brave Stevie nail polish, and it's June's Rookie of the Month. So the first of every month she has a group polish, and the group is down below. It's Brave Stevie nail polish Bleacher Creatures, and yeah, you get a discount if you're in the group to purchase the monthly polish, and that's over a navy blue. Also Brave Stevie nail polish. All right, here are the ones that I just bought. The orders came together. Navy Fierce, which is a really dark, gorgeous, sparkly blue. Autumn Fierce I did not buy, but I ordered the wrong swatch stick for North Star Glow, 114, 144. So that's why I have that. I do have Autumn Fierce, North Star Glow. It's just a white glow. Pool Party, Aloha Glow, which I realize now I have 2 of, so that one is going to be going in next month's giveaway. And Glowberry. And there's the beach bonfire that came with this month's box, with May's box, and it is also a glow, so therefore I'm going to be using that also today to show you how to do a marble glow with dips. And it's super easy and anybody can do it. So I decided to do a little bit of kind of cool looking marble, and I don't think I've ever shown you how to do this before. I don't know, but it's with the dips, and I took the little dish they gave me, but this is what I usually use, and this is from Nice and Easy. It's just a little mixing thingy that I got with hair color, you know, a touch-up kit that you do your roots with, but you absolutely can just use a paper Dixie cup and just cut it in half and use that. Be creative. So I poured some of the North Star Glow in the bottom, and I did do 1 layer of North Star Glow on the base on all of them, and then I poured some in this dish, and then I just put a little bit, just took a little scoop, and just kind of made little stripes of each color on top of it, and then just took a orange wood stick, you could use a toothpick, and just kind of drew little lines through it. And I've dipped 1 finger, so I'm going to kind of shake it down. I use gel as my liquid, so if you're using regular dip liquids, you would put a thin coat of your base gel on. This is gel base. If you are using dip liquid, just resin, like regular dip liquid base, you would have to be pretty quick. And then I'm just going to lay it in there. All right, tap that off and cure in between each. If you are using regular dips, you of course do not cure in a UV lamp. I am using gel. I am curing for 30 seconds. So I feel like there's not a whole lot of color left in there, so I'm going to just do the same thing, put a little bit in each color that I want. And I'm just going to drag it through a little bit. And just dip it flat in there again. And I'm sure some of you feel like maybe I've wasted this North Star Glow, that I've wasted a lot of it because I'm gonna have to discard the rest when I'm done, but I really have barely used any. There's just not a lot of dip in there. And I mean, this is just, you can see, it's just a tiny bit that I'm using to do this marble. All right, I'm now going to cure these because I'm done dipping. Now, if you were using regular liquids, you would solidify. And there they are cured. Now I'm going to brush them off and put another coat of base. And like I said, if you're using dip liquids, you would solidify now. Okay, my recommendation, people talk about their brushes getting hard and having that kind of issue when you're using solidify and then top coat. Absolutely, still follow the same instructions I'm giving you for gel. After you're done, you will solidify if you're using regular dip liquids. And then you're going to wipe that off with alcohol when it's dry. Wipe it off with alcohol. And then put another layer of base coat. Now I'm using gel, so I don't use solidify, but I am going to go ahead and put another base coat. All right, since I'm using gel, I have time, it's not going to cure yet. I go around with a brush and some alcohol and make sure that is all cleaned off my skin before I cure. If you're using dip liquids, you've got to be quicker, but definitely go around it with an orange wood stick or a cuticle pusher or toothpick or whatever, and make sure that you have a clean application all the way around. You are keeping your layers thin. And just clean it up. So I know normally the instructions or what you've usually done, they don't tell you to put another base coat after you solidify, or after you're done dipping to put another base coat, you go ahead and top coat then. I put base coat on because it is going to smooth it out a little bit more. It's going to protect that solidify. Once that's hardened up, it's going to be solidified. You're going to put that base coat on again. Then you're going to top coat, and that top coat's going to stick better to the base coat. You're going to end up with a much smoother, cleaner look. It's going to be like it's painted on and not dipped. And if you're using glitter, that's going to fill that in. You won't have all that rough texture, and you go and you put a top coat on it. Then you buff or file. And then you know you're not filing off any of your glitter. You don't have to put another clear dip that's going to cloud your glitter or cloud your design. And you can file knowing that you're not filing the glitter, you're not filing the color, you're only smoothing out your base and top coat, and then you can top coat again and you'll have the most glossy finish. And I don't think I'm going to have to file these anyway. I think once I get top coat on, they're going to be plenty smooth enough. And that is just with another base coat. So now I'm going to top coat, and then I'll buff or file if I feel like I need to, but I really highly doubt I will. I am using Sparkle & Co. base and top coat. These don't need to be filed. They don't need to be buffed. They're perfectly shiny. All right, let's see if they glow. Ooh. Check that out. Super pretty. I love it. What do you guys think? In the month of June, the entire month of June, I'm having a lot of giveaways. Every video I do in the month of June will be a giveaway. One of them I'm going to be doing when I get next month, June's Sparkle & Co. box. I am going to have an entire set of Sparkle & Co. to give away. I will have dips, all the dip liquids. I don't use them and they come every month. I get another one. So I have a whole set of dip liquids: base, solidify, top coat, pH prep, and then I realized that I have bought 2 Aloha glows, so one of those will be included, and I also probably will throw in a couple of other dips too. So I'm also going to have a giveaway for Madam Glam gels, base coat, top coat, and 2 colors. I've got Maniology plates and polishes the whole month of June. Lots of giveaways, so make sure you're subscribed. And all right, stay tuned for some fun. Bye. That's a dog treat. That's for the dogs, man. It's for the dogs. He never gets tired. Gims, on the other hand, is logged 2.5 miles today chasing him. He's back there hiding to eat that dog treat. Or to get more. After he spilled vinegar on the floor. Oh! Fudge's guitar. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Good. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.